So, diving right in, 70-hour work weeks. What's the first thing that pops into your head?
Honestly, burnout, total burnout. Like, where's the life? Where is the life in that?
Right? It sounds like really intense. But Narayana Murthy, the Infosys co-founder, he's like advocating for it.
Seriously? No way. I'm intrigued, but also like kinda terrified. Spill the tea. What's the deal?
He's saying it's like crucial, essential for India to, rise up globally. Young people gotta hustle, apparently, gotta grind.
So is he saying like we all need to become like total workaholics?
Essentially, yeah, he's linking long hours to like national progress.
I mean, I get wanting India to be a global powerhouse, but like at what cost, right?
That's the $1 million question, right? Is it sustainable? Is it even healthy?
Exactly. There's got to be a balance. You can't just burn people out. Like that's not sustainable.
Totally. Critics are like pointing to all the potential health issues, right? Like decreased productivity and just like general unhappiness.
Who's going to be innovative and productive when they're like running on fumes? Seriously.
Exactly. There's a whole like school of thought that says working smarter, not longer, is the key.
Preach. I'm all about efficiency. Work hard, play hard, right? That's my motto.
Good motto. This whole thing raises questions about work-life balance too. Like, what even is that anymore?
Work life balance, more like work life tightrope walk. Am I right? This scenario.
Right? Where's the time for like family, friends, hobbies, actual life?
Exactly. You can't just like pour all your energy into work and expect to like thrive as a human being.
It's a recipe for disaster. Seriously. Burnout, stress, resentment, the whole shebang.
And who benefits then? Nobody, not the individual, not the company, not the country. It's like a lose lose situation.
So it's interesting to like consider the cultural context too. India's work culture is already pretty intense, right?
I've heard stories. This just seems like amping it up to like an extreme, like way too much.
Yeah, it's pushing it. Pushing the envelope for sure. It'll be interesting to see how this, plays out.
I'm like on the edge of my seat. Honestly, this could be like a real game changer, for better or worse, right?
Definitely a conversation starter. It's got everyone talking, that's for sure.
So, if not 70-hour weeks, what's the solution? Like, is there a magic wand or something?
I wish. Maybe focusing on like education, infrastructure, and fostering innovation. I don't know.
Those sound like good starting points. Invest in people, not just hours worked.
Exactly. Create an environment where people can like actually thrive, not just, survive.
And maybe like encourage some time off now and then. Just a thought.
This whole debate really makes you think about the future of work, huh?
Big time. Are we like heading towards a world of constant hustle or something more balanced? Hopefully, the latter.
That's the big question. Technology is changing everything so rapidly. It's crazy.
It's a wild ride. Hopefully, we can like find a way to make it work for everyone.
Fingers crossed. The ideal scenario is like a world where people are both productive and, happy. Like both.
So, where do we land on this 70-hour work week idea? Hard pass for me. I'm good.
Yeah, it's a tough one. Definitely raises some important questions. That was a great discussion. Thanks for chatting.